Good day, guys. This is Calvin Ports. Uh, I think it's the first episode, I was talking about pound SGD. We had I tried to hold the pound SGD twice. I held it here, it stopped me out here, and then I tried to hold it. I think it was up here again, and then this breakout stopped me out. But I decided to quit the trade. So the market came to this order block, which I have labeled here. So it retraced almost the depth of the entire order block. So I was supposed to enter the market here, but then it's Thursday, tomorrow it's Friday. In fact, the candle that is beginning, this is like 12 p.m. at the moment. I think you can see it down here. It's 12 p.m. South African time. So normally when you see an uptrend like this, it'll tap you in and then it'll tap you in like this and then it will come back to tap you out before it takes off. Because of carry trading, which is it's all about holding the weekly candles. So if you normally it's important to hold a weekly candle on Monday. That's normally where I hold my weekly candles at the beginning. So this is the 1 hour time frame. So what happens with weekly candles is that when we're having this is like a weekly pullback from this entire move. Let me show you. This is like a weekly candle, and this is the pullback from the weekly candle. So what happens is that we are closing the weekly candle. The weekly candle gave us something like a wick. I don't know how to show you. Uh, the weekly candle gave us something like a wick. It pulled back and now it's about to close. It'll be closing, I don't know, maybe up here. But before it does all of that, the weekly candle has to reverse before it goes bullish. This economic divergence says the Singapore dollar will keep getting weaker and weaker, and the pound will keep getting stronger and stronger. So in this economic divergence, it would be much safer for myself to hold this carry trade in the coming Monday because today is Thursday, and in this flush, this pullback from the weekly candle, they will just go higher, but at the end of the day, it has to the next week on Monday when the new weekly candle forms. What will happen is that before it goes up, that weekly candle has to drop first before it goes up. So it's normal. That's just how weekly candles perform. Just like on this 1 hour time frame, you can see that we are in a bearish direction, but before this candle closes, it has to pull back and form a new candle. This new candle that is forming, it has to pull back again before it goes lower. So what's happening here is that this weekly candle, let me show you the weekly candle. This is the 1 hour time frame. So this weekly candle went bullish. I think it started somewhere here. It went bullish. Now it's reversing and then it comes back into the place where the market will slow down. But before it starts a bullish, because we know that this is according to the economic divergence, this is a bullish move. So because of that bullish move, we know that the new weekly candle that will form has to even though it's moving backwards like this, most people are going to hold a long position here. Most economic divergence traders are going to, or trend line traders, people trade trend lines. They're going to hold long. That's if they're holding long term. But if you should hold in short term, you can hold it. But it's already Friday. It's midnight in South Africa. It's like 12 p.m. I hope you can see the time here. It's like 12 p.m. So this is just the price moving back into place. And what will happen is that when the new weekly candle forms, it has to give us that pullback first, and then the market will take off. So for those who want to hold long here, you need to move your stop loss quick. And before the market closes today, you need to make sure that it taps you out from your stop loss. I normally trade this way. Let's say my stop loss is down here and my entry level is up here. So what I do is that I move my stop loss to cover the profits down here. And when the market decides to stop me out, I would normally get stopped out in profit with my stop loss. But I don't trade with trading view. I use a MT5 when I hold my positions. So when the weekly candle starts, I would be much happier if it lands here on this line, or if it even goes lower, lower than that. So the economic divergence system that I use is telling me that the pound will pump, it will keep gaining strength, and the Singapore dollar will keep losing strength. So this is just the weekly candle scenario that I'm talking about. Normally in carry trading, it's important for you to hold a weekly candle on Sunday night when the market opens for Monday, and you hold for the whole week until Friday. And probably when you get that next weekly candle, it will not stop you out. It will allow the market to move higher and higher with your profits. It's all that we do in carry trading. We just hope that when the market comes back, it does not stop you out. That's all that we try to do. So this is the daily time frame. For those who see this, they will think that the market is moving in that direction. The target is up here, but I normally hold my trades for like a month with the pound. But the Singapore dollar might take anything like a month or two going bearish. So I'm waiting for that pullback down here when the new weekly candle forms on Monday. I'll just wait for the market to open when and wait for that market to give me that pullback. I think it might take the whole day to get here, to get down here, because I'm trading long term. But after that, I believe in this trade. I believe that I'll get to my take profit level. Thank you guys. I always try have not to hold my uh, videos for more than 10 minutes. I think 5 minutes is better. But on this pound SG, I hope that you see the dates down there, down here. I hope that you can see the dates. It's 25 July 2025, and we're hoping to hold that trade all the way up here. It's a carry trade, and watch out for the spread for those who are trying to buy and sell, buy and sell. I could not hold the trade as it moves up here because I know that the spread is too big. And this trade, I don't think it will get to what I want because it's already Thursday. Thank you guys. Let's look forward to our carry trades on Monday.